Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, eventually it will take out the low of wave 4. But we do have to keep in mind that potentially it could be a correction to the last 5 waves up, and if it does end up doing that, that it would potentially make 3 waves down, make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. I don't really know whether it's an ABC or whether it's a 1-2-3, which a 1-2-3 will break this low right here, but really, at this point in the pattern, it's definitely not important to know the difference. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, this first push down is either a wave A or a wave 1. Trading strategy for a wave A and a wave 1 is exactly the same, which is looking for shorts on shorter time frames. When it finally does start a push to the upside, a push to the upside should be a wave B or a wave 2. A wave B and a wave 2 has exactly the same trading strategy, which is looking for longs on shorter time frames. So that's why I say it's really at this point in the pattern, it's not important to know whether we're looking at an ABC or a 1-2-3. So going down to the daily time frame, definitely still in a downtrend. Now, it looks to me like if it does break structure, that we definitely should start looking for buys because at that point it would probably start making its way up for the wave B. But no break of structure, continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. If it does break structure, start looking for longs on shorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, this whole pattern down does to me look like 3 waves, and if you look at all other yen pairs, a lot of them look like 3 waves also. Kind of makes me wonder if this is like 3 waves up for 3 waves of A, 3 waves of C, and potentially it could go up for like 5 waves of the bigger wave C. So A, B, and C, potentially all part of a wave B on the higher time frames. But like I was just saying, the trend is definitely down, so we should definitely be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, like I was just saying, if it breaks structure to the upside after the break of structure, after the pullback is when I will start looking for longs in a uptrend at the end of every single pullback I see. If it does not break structure, then I will be looking for lower highs. I'll be looking for engulfing moves to the downside, especially if I can see a break of structure to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. The trend is not proven to be over until I see a nice solid break and hold above structure. Until the trend is proven to be over, I'm doing nothing but looking for shorts in a downtrend on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.